What's going on, YouTube? In today's video, we're going to take the seats out, possibly take the dash out. In the last video, we explained that we were going to remove this panel here, the inner panel. Sorry about the noise in the back. We have the city out fixing the streets. I don't think you guys can see it, but if you can, they're over there fixing the streets. But nevertheless, we're going to take all the interior out. One of the big changes that we thought about, we were going to do, this truck is basically manual. You have manual mirrors, you have manual doors, the seats are manual, a few other things are manual in this car, and we're going to go ahead and change that and make everything more efficient as far as electronical. Power windows, power doors, power mirrors, power seats. There will be a lot of parts we will need to do that. We have to take the dash out to fix this whole pillar area right here. We're going to take it out, cut it, or either try to see if we can push it back in towards the door, because it's not badly bent, but it's bent enough. And it's pushing over the dash, so we want to relieve that pressure off the dash and see how badly damaged it is. If it's pretty badly damaged, we're going to go ahead and replace the dash just as well. So we're going to go ahead and set the camera up, and we're going to go ahead and get started, okay? Also, I have my son working with me today, Junior, as you see. He's sitting over there walking towards us. He's a little shy, camera shy, but he's going to be working with us, taking out everything, and he's learning how to do everything that I know. All right, so again, we're going to set the camera down. We're going to go ahead and get started. We got the steering column out. The next thing we're gonna do is finish taking out the dash, and we're gonna go from there. You guys remember my son, right? He cleaned up his area here, and he's gonna clean up over here, get everything off the back seat. When I get through with this truck, it's gonna be fully transformed. You won't even know what particular model it was. You're gonna know it's an F150, but it's gonna look more like the fully loaded unit. So we'll get back with you. Alrighty, as you can see, we got the dash out. What we're trying to accomplish is right here. If you can see this, this is not straight. It's actually bent in this way. So what we want to do is try to straighten this out by pulling it out and trying to get it back to about here. So it has to be maybe about right here. If not, we'll cut this whole section out and get it back. Now, on tomorrow's video, we will be removing this carpet, and all this wiring harness will be replaced. We'll replace this wiring harness. We're going to clean up all this glass right quick, and then that will be the end of the video. Until the next video, YouTube.